Good morning, Sean. A construction worker was in the hospital Tuesday night after he suffered serious burns when an old gas tank exploded. Manchester firefighters said the accident occurred at 2:30 p.m. at an old gas station on Elm Street. Officials said the worker was cutting up the tank with a saw when it exploded. The tank still had some gas inside. OSHA is now investigating the incident. Reporting live here on Elm Street at the old gas station, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Sean, back over to you.